cliff, cliff, island, island, beach, beach, coast, coast, desert, desert, meadow, meadow, oasis, oasis.
This place looks like a breathtaking landscape where a majestic cliff rises from the edge of a tranquil beach. The beach curves around a small island in the distance, with golden sands meeting the azure waters of the sea. Along the coast, there's a stretch of lush meadow, vibrant with colorful wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze. On one side of the meadow, the terrain transitions into a desert, its sandy dunes rolling towards the horizon. In the midst of this desert, there's a hidden oasis, a sparkling jewel amidst the arid landscape. Palm trees cast soothing shadows over a crystal-clear pool, creating a serene oasis in the midst of the desert's harsh beauty. Above the scene, a clear blue sky stretches endlessly, dotted with fluffy white clouds that drift lazily in the gentle breeze. The whole scene is a harmonious blend of contrasting elements: cliffs and beaches, meadows and deserts, an island embraced by the sea, and a secret oasis hidden within the arid sands.